Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to do a ball animation, a bouncing ball animation. Here is the example how I did it before in Adobe After Effects. So as you see, the ball is bouncing. So let me create a new project. Let's create a new project. Grab a new composition. The width is 1080 and 1080 is 1080. And the duration is 5 seconds. It's okay. Let's press OK. There is some strange thing. For some reason I don't see the area which I will be working with, but it will be fine. So first of all I need to create a background. So I'm clicking on the rectangle twice, and you see the rectangle filled in the area, the working area. Now I will change the color to change the color as well. So I will make it of the blue color. As you see, it appeared. God thanks. So let me do this color. It will be the sky. Let's click it off. So let's click somewhere, and now we will create another square. It will be the ground. Here is another square, and it will be of the gray color. Yeah, so like this. Let's lock these two layers so that we don't touch them by mistake. And now I'll be creating a ball. In order to change the shape here, I will press on Q. Here it is written Q on the keyboard. And I need an ellipse. So let me create an ellipse and let me make it of a red color. I will press on Shift to create an even ellipse. Yeah, it looks like this. So I have to be sure that this is clicked. This layer is clicked, and I need to move this small thing in the center. So I'm clicking on pen behind, then I'm clicking on Control. It will help to make it in the central position. So it looks like this. Then what I will do, I will make this ball in the center. I will click on Selection tool, and I will put this ball into the center of my screen. Oh, it's already in the center, as we can see. Now I have to animate this ball. So what I have to do? It's okay. It goes to the center right now. I'm sorry, I think my software works a little bit slow, but no problem. It still works. Now I have to animate the ball. Yeah, it should be in the center. So we move this ball. We should move this ball to the top. I'm pressing on Shift. So in order to animate, I'm going to ellipse path position, because I will need it to go down. So then let's say that here it goes down. It goes down to here. Something. Let me do it one more time. So at this point, the ball is going down. I have to move these characters. So in order to move the ball down, I am just increasing this value. Let me increase more. And as you see, the animation appears. Okay, so the ball went down. Now let's create another one, and let me again change this character. The ball is going up. Let's say it went up to this position. And again it's going down. And actually what I can do, I can just copy paste this thing, this small thing, and it will copy paste the position itself. Let's make one more in order to show that the ball is bouncing. So let's let it do a little bit lower. Yes, like this. And again, if the ball goes down, again, it's already copy paste, so I just click on Ctrl V. The ball went down. And again, a small one. Again, the ball is going down. And one very small one. Okay, in order to make the animation smoother and looking more realistic, what we can do? We can enable motion blur. It will create, when the animation moves fast, it will create a little bit of blur on the edges of the object. Then I will select all of them, and I will also do one correction, keyframe assistant, easy ease. This will make the movements look smoother. So let's see how it looks at the moment. Yeah, so it's not perfect still, but it's okay. We already have the animation. Now I will correct the speed. So I will not, I need the speed graph. Show me, this is the value graph, but I need the speed graph. This is the speed graph. In order to make it, the ball is going down fast. Then it bounces and goes up a little bit slower. I will not touch this first one, but I will make this one, oops, not like this. These ones this way. And also I will make these graphs, these parts of graph, closer to each other, like this. Yeah, here as well. Yeah, and let's test how it looks at the moment. I think that what we did, we made the duration of each bounce the same. So what I can do with it? here they are. So as you see, what I did, I created an equal space between these two animations. So what we can do, we can manually just make them closer to each other, and the last one will be the closest one because it is closer to the ground. So you just have to grab the last one and you will drag them closer to each other. Then you can grab this way and again dragging them closer to each other. Then again this way. Again this way. Okay, let's test how it looks. Yeah, that's pretty good. A little bit, maybe it is a little bit fast. Maybe we can, we can even a little bit make more space. Yeah, that looks pretty nice, I think. Then what does the ball do? It when it reaches the ground, it squeezes. Its shape changes. So we have to put also the shape animation. Let me press on Control. So here's our ball, and we have to make size animation. So we will click on the size this way. Then we will go here. We will unlock these two parameters. And which one squeezes? Yeah, this one. Now we will copy and paste this one. It will be then again squeezing it. But less than it was. Then again, yeah, Control V, Control V. So we continue changing the shape of our ball. So again, here we have to make it a little bit smaller, just a little bit. Then again, it will get its shape. I click on Ctrl V. Again, just a little bit squeezing. And again, it will get its shape. And here I will not put anything. So let's test how it looks. We see that the ball in the beginning, we have actually to change it. The ball in the beginning comes already squeezed. What can we do? We can, what I did in my previous animation, I just copied let me stop this. I just copied the original shape and just put it a little bit before it squeezes. Let's see how it looks. I'll do it once again. So this is what I need to copy. Let's see. Control V. Yeah. Yes, so that is how it looks. Now it is totally fine. That is how I did it. It can be done in another way. Let's also create the clouds. Let me stop this. You can create the cloud using the pen tool, and you can create the cloud from, let's deselect it. Let me deselect this layer so that it could be another layer from squares. Actually, let's create a square. Oh, sorry, not a square, an ellipse. I'm sorry, this is a rather big animation. Let's see if I can do this. No, I cannot do this. Okay. I just tried to do something that I generally do in Adobe Illustrator. Yeah, so we can create, make sure that it is clicked on, so that we can create several ellipses under one shape tool. Yeah, like this. Okay, let me Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, copy and paste it, and I will move it to another direction. Well, it's not a perfect, it's kind of not a perfect cloud, but it's okay for now. And so what I want to do, I want them to go in the different directions while the ball is coming behind them. So I need to change their position. So transform position. So let's set the different position when the ball goes behind them. And I have to change this one. Yeah, just a little bit. And let's also make them easy ease. Keyframe assistant easy ease. Let's add, it's already added, it's okay. And this one. I will put it in the position. Then our animation. So let me put this here so that they will be in the same place. And here is the cloud. Let me change its position. Yeah, let's do something like this. Yeah, so the clouds go into different sides at the moment, and everything should be fine. Let me test the animation. Let me test what we have done. Yeah, cool. We can, we can even make these movements a little bit slower, because now it's the clouds don't go this way actually in the real life. So what I can do with that, I will just click on this one and let's move it to here, to position 1, and for this one as well, let's move it to position 1. Let's test it once again. Yeah, it's better. Yes, it's better. So now that is how a bouncing ball animation is made. I'm sorry if I stopped here for understanding, because I'm still new to this software. I hope you will understand how to do it from my words.